I want to congratulate and thank Ham Chigundu for the good work he has done here. As he said, he came some years ago. First of all, Chigundu is a young man who I think was born after NRM had come into power, but who is a real NRM by being innovative and knowing that you can get prosperity in Uganda. This is what we have been telling you. Therefore, on the issue of the economy, just like in the issue of security, we can do our own things. So therefore, a young man like Chigundu, young, who believes in that philosophy, because that's your problem. Abadulavu chejo mwebusabusa nze sebusabusa buntawa nyankubirawo. So I want to really congratulate and thank Chigundu because he has been able to show that attitude, not only in this project, but even in other projects. Now, when he came with this idea, Borwao okusalamu ofa umiyekera talwao. So when Chigundu came, it was a clear idea. There is a government asset called Nachuvo. You lease it to me, I develop it using private money, and then I recover my cost through the collections and also the other businesses I will do around there in 49 years. So this was clear. What is the problem? So I told the people who were saying, you support this man. If he doesn't perform, we shall throw him out. If he performs, he will recover his money, because what we want is not a government stadium. Where government, where ecclesia, where it's not important. What we want is a stadium